Python is a high-level programming language. It has simple syntax, similar to English. Python code is executed line by line. It is dynamically typed. There is no need to declare variable type. It has extensive built-in libraries. It supports object-oriented programming. Python is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, game development, embedded system, and IoT, Internet of Things. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. It is much easier than Java program. I open a Java compiler. I have to put class main, then public static void main string, then args, then system.out.println, and then only I can type good morning. Good morning is a string. All these syntax I have to correctly make in Java. Otherwise, the Java will not work properly. Now I am putting run here now, and I get the output good morning correctly. Suppose I remove this semicolon, small semicolon here, and then run the code, I get error message. So in Java, I have to use correct syntax. When I put a Tamil word, Tamil, instead of good morning in Java and run the code, I get the error message. Even though it says that code execution is successful and it is putting a question mark because it is not knowing the language Tamil. So that is the aspect of Java. Now open Python compiler and I print the word Tamil, Tamil, and I run the code. The output is correctly got. There is no complex syntax in Python. Even if I remove the semicolon, then I run the code, then also I get Tamil. If I change the word Tamil to English word good, then also if I run, then also it is correctly executing the code and the answer is got. So Python is much simpler than Java.